In this video, you are going to see how to insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Video, click on this option, Online Videos. And let us go any browser. Here I have the browser and I have the YouTube videos. Suppose I want to add this video from my YouTube channel. So click on right button over here and select this option, Copy Link. Even you can click on this three dot and you can go to share and you can copy the link from here. Now go to PowerPoint and click on over this option, select Ctrl V to paste the link, and here you will see the preview. Now click on insert, then the video will be inserted in your PowerPoint slide. You can play it from here. You can go to playback. You can make it automatically or in click sequence. If you click on over here, the video will be played. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.